Welcome to today's lesson on exponential functions. And what we would like to do is show you how to simplify exponential functions or exponential expressions. So there's a few things you have to know, and quite a few things is the following. For example, looking at the laws above, and you notice I've written out the notes beforehand in case some of you get bored or just want to take them down. That's fine. You notice the first law is a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. This is a law where we add the exponents. The second law, not necessarily in order, is a to the power of m, brackets or parentheses, all to the power of n. The word brackets or parentheses means the same thing, those of us in different parts of the world. And this will give me the only time when we multiply the powers together, mn, which is a to the power of m multiplied by n, a to the power of mn. The third law, coming back to the same base a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Notice where the negative applies to the n, so I'll subtract the exponents or powers or indices. The word exponents, powers, indices, they all mean very much the same thing. Very technical indeed. Also, don't forget, any number to the power of 0 is equal to 1, except 0 to the power of 0, which is 0. X to the power of 0 is equal to 1. 100 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. A million to the power of 0 is also 1. Believe it or not, it's true. Don't forget also, very important unwritten rule in mathematics, always keep your exponents positive. So for example, x to the power of minus 1 is equal to 1 over x to the power of 1. Notice where the positive sign is there. A very important rule in exponents I like to call the golden rule is always look for the prime number when simplifying. Now these are all the primes except 1. 1 doesn't matter. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Here's your multiplications table. Learn it well. If you don't know the multiplications table, then you're going to have to use short division. My apologies for the scratches there. So for example, if I don't know that 5 squared is 25, for example over here, then you need to go and divide it starting with 2, 3, and so on, and get that particular answer as 5 to the power of 2. Rational numbers are all of the above, perfect squares, and of course you could also deal with irrational numbers, which are the same as thirds or radicals. And of course 7 is not a perfect square number, like 16, 25, 9 squared is 81, etc, etc. 2 squared is 4. And of course, you could simply leave 7 as a radical or a third or an irrational number, or simply use a calculator, depending on your teacher's instructions. I will deal with some examples in the next episode. Thank you.